What is going on, y'all? Check me out here, and in front of me I have the entire iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium, the iPhone 16 Pro in white, the iPhone 16 Plus in pink, and the iPhone 16 in teal. I got all my favorite colors, y'all. And I also have some accessories in as well that we can get into. Oh my God, where do we begin? If you know me, you already know where we're gonna go. The Desert Titanium. Quick tour around the box, everything pretty much looks the same. This is what it looks like on the front, the sides, the top, the bottom. So nothing different there, at least that I'm noticing. Oh my gosh, I saw this at the event, y'all, but just to have it here. It is gorgeous. And it's so interesting, like in different shades of light, the gold reflects differently, you know? Sometimes it has more of a warmer undertone to it. And we got the camera control. So that's on the entire iPhone 16 series. So the sticker, of course, is updated a bit as well with the icon to show you that this is the camera control feature. So, ooh, y'all, I didn't even see this. I was so captivated by the daggone phone. We got a new cable. It's braided. It's not the, I got them back here because I was charging and stuff, but it's not the typical rubber cable like this, you know? It's braided. This is cute. Okay. I like the change here. And the inside of the box is a little different this year as well. So this is how it looks. We have our paperwork. And that is it. No Apple stickers again this year. Okay. But this is what comes in the box, y'all, with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Although I feel it's going to be similar for the others, we'll breeze through these as well and get some initial impressions and see if maybe, I don't know, we got a color matched cable or something. I don't know. But let's see. Let's get this powered on and put it off to the side. This is the phone that I plan on using. No, I was between the Pro Max and the Pro, but I'm leaning on starting with this one, so we'll see if I switch. Especially considering that these two phones are pretty much the same right now. The difference is the size in the display. So you really can choose the device that feels best in hand for you. All right, now that we got the Pro Max unboxed, let's move that off to the side and let it boot up, and we are gonna jump into, dang, what the heck was that? All right, so we're gonna jump now into the iPhone 16 Pro. I like the white. It's like a pure white too, y'all. Like it's not an off-white, and I like the touch of the silver along the sides to just kind of make it pop that much more. As much as I talked about that gold, I might have slept on this a little bit. The underdog, so to speak, of colors. Now, box-wise, again, we got the USB-C braided cable as well as the paperwork that we had that I cannot seem to grab right now that was in the previous box. I'm gonna make sure I set up the Pro Max because I do want to show y'all, you know, the size comparison against the 15 Pro Max. So if you want to skip to that part in the video, everything should be timestamped below. All right, y'all, so this one here is the iPhone 16 Plus. The way this pink pops on the side, get into it. Can you? It's very punchy. It's like a pinkish purple almost, like a fuchsia. I'm gonna let you just take a second to just enjoy the color as I have. Right here along the edges of the iPhone lens, we have the same color as the back of the phone with a darker hue making up this little section here around the lenses. Really curious though to see how third-party manufacturers make cases for the camera control, because in my eyes, you can't just make a case that has a cutout as you do for the volume buttons. You're gonna have to have like a slope so the finger naturally glides up when using this. That's my thought process, but I did order some cases, so we will find out. So this is the iPhone 16 in teal. Ooh, I like the teal. Okay. USB-C cable, same things inside of the box there. But this teal, it's like a frosted teal. I like the color around the lens. The border of the lens matches the phone, but the, you know, frame around that part is a different color. And instead of the stainless steel sides that we have on the Pros, this one has more of a matte finish. The nice thing about this is that, you know, it's not gonna pick up a lot of fingerprints. So let's get the entire series out. So voila, we got the iPhone 16 lineup here. The Pro Max, the Pro, the Plus, and the 16. So this here is the case for the iPhone 16 Plus. So we're gonna install this one first. I love when packages are easy to open. All right, what do we get in here? So it looks like we get paperwork. So this is their silicone case with MagSafe, and it has a cover for the camera control. This complements each other nice. I like that. All right, let's get this on. Oh, that looks good. And it feels good. All right, so that one's on. And the next case I have is this clear MagSafe case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I love the clear because then you can still appreciate the natural color of the phone. So let's get this installed. This is how it looks. Next case we have is the iPhone 16 Pro silicone MagSafe case. So this is gonna be like true purple, like Barney purple. Y'all remember Barney? The purple and the white. This should look really good together. Yes, and it does. Nice line of protection for the cameras back here. All right, and so last but certainly not least, y'all, we have the iPhone 16 silicone case with MagSafe. It's like I don't know, it's like a turquoise maybe, a deep turquoise. Definitely a unique color, I will say, but I'm loving it. That's a really good combination. I like these two together. Awesome. So we got the 16 lineup, y'all. And if you want to know, you know, more specs and things about these, or just a quick overview, I've actually done a recap, which I will link up here. And I'll also link it down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. Oh, and we got the fine woven MagSafe wallet as well. That's the beauty of MagSafe, y'all. It's just easy, you know? It'll work with any of these phones and I don't have to change my case. Push your cards out like this. I don't know if you've ever seen the wallet cases or have used the wallet cases. And the wallet will work on your phone without the case. I'm not sure if you all know or not, but you don't need the case for it to work. I see this being perfect, like any time that you need a light setup, like concerts, going out, you don't want to carry a purse or a bag, put that on the back. But anyway, let's get a move on. I'm excited. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Yeah, so far so good. I did notice that I was accidentally pressing the camera control button when I was filming earlier, but I love that you can pause your recording now. Is the screen jumping? Anyway, I love that you can pause your recording now. I do wish that you could also flip your camera, so crossing our fingers that that will be the next thing that we see come to this. But all in all, let me get going and get back home or wherever I'm going next. I don't know, I might grab a smoothie. Oh, that was quick. Thank you. Okay, we're in my car right now, and I just wanted to see what these two look like against each other because I'm in my garage and it's dimly lit right now. And I know it's supposed to be better in low light with ultra wide, so let's observe. Oh yeah, it definitely is. I like it, I like it, I like it. We gonna get some better low light tests than this, y'all. Don't judge me, okay? I'm trying to work with where I'm at, all right? Y'all let me know what you think. How does it look? Okay. First and foremost, the camera's looking good, but I'm definitely still getting acquainted with the device and the camera as well. So far, from what I'm seeing, I like it. I wanted to do more with the camera, but I was sick and I'm still recovering. Now, I do like having a camera control button here on the side, but it's nice to kind of further tune how I want my skin tone to appear, or just skin tones, period. Styles and tones are not accessible during video mode, but it's accessible
during the other month. And y'all, something I noticed, it's a little thing, but a big thing. I don't know if it's because of iOS 18 or if it's because I have the iPhone 16. The music will now continue to play while you're recording a video. You know, normally when you're connected to your car and you're listening to music and you go to film a video, it pauses your music. Now they can both occur at the same time. Like I said, a little thing, but a good thing, you know? All right, let's talk about should you upgrade. From what I'm seeing right now, if you have a iPhone 15, then sit tight. You know, you don't have to rush and get this one unless you just want the latest and the greatest. iPhone 14 users, I'd say the same applies to you. You know, you don't have to rush and get this one either. But you might if you want Apple Intelligence. iOS 18 will work on the following devices, but Apple Intelligence will not. So if you want to, you know, get in on Apple Intelligence, the iOS 18 features, video on the way, don't worry, I got y'all. Then you're gonna need an iPhone 15 or later. Now my iPhone 13 users, I feel like you'll have a noticeable difference if you're upgrading, and even more so with an iPhone 12 or before. But yeah, I feel like I've rambled enough. I need to go ahead and get this video to y'all, so I'm gonna end it here. But again, drop your questions down below. I will be going down in the comment section and answering those questions in the review video for this. So with that said, feel free to check me out on Instagram in between time. And as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.